All right. Seems to be turning pretty freely. Let's see if I can reverse it to come back this way. See what happens. Not hitting. Didn't hit at all. So I'm wondering, is there a bent valve or something? Put my gloves back on here and see what the hell is going on, dude. Okay, so that, I don't know, does that look right? Okay, dude, I'm not seeing anything that looks abnormal. So let's spin this a little further. I'm gonna spin it a little further and see if I can see any impact marks. What the hell, dude? What do? Leave a fucking wrench in here or something? Oh yeah, okay, we got impact. We've got impact. That would cause a lot of shavings. But what would cause that to happen? Can I shake it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, burnt out bearing for sure. What about here? Nope. I'm assuming that's the only one, but never assume you don't know what the fuck you're talking about like me. Alright, I don't see any impact marks on that one. I don't see anything else on that one, so chances are, I wonder if I can I pull this? Or do I have to take the head off? Let me know in the comments, y'all. I really need help with this.